Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Well, it's almost summer here in San Francisco, which means summer camps. Now, one of my Try It, Don't Buy It blogs is about this fabulous outdoor craft that I think you're going to love. And it's taking these beautiful little translucent pony beads and turning them into amazing sun catchers. And I'm going to teach you how to do it right now. For this project, you will need colorful translucent pony beads, a skewer, a timer, a toaster oven, large paper clip, a muffin tin, and an oven mitt. Now, one of the most important things about this project is that you use this oven outdoors. You're going to be using these plastics and you're going to be melting them. And the thing about that is that they get stinky and smelly, and you do not want anybody to be around those toxic fumes. So you've got to do this outdoors where there's lots and lots of ventilation. Now, what I'm doing here, do not do this indoors, is what I'm trying to tell you. Don't do this in an indoor oven. Don't even attempt to do it. Bad, bad news. And don't think that you can use a microwave. No, 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 no. Don't. Must be an oven, must be outdoors, must be a place where you can ventilate the fumes. Now, there's two techniques here that I'm going to show you. The first one is placing your beads in a pattern with the whole side facing up. Now, once you've got your pattern all done, then you're going to take your paper clip and you just open up the paper clip, pop this one side up. So, you've got it down here like this. Just pull that one side up and then form the remaining part into a circle. Kind of very much like if you ever do Easter eggs, like an Easter egg holder, one of the dippers. So you make kind of like a little Easter egg dipper, and then just drop that right on the top, all the way at the edge, so that the side that's sticking up, that's kind of resting on the edge of the muffin tin. And then your metal part that you made into the dipper, that's just right there on top. Now I'm going to make a second one here because I'm going to show you another technique, just so you can see what happens with that technique. And that technique is just kind of dumping in a whole bunch of beads and not worrying too much where they go. Just kind of filling the bottom with all the pretty colors, which, for a younger child may be easier. So just filling the whole bottom like that. And then, once again, taking my little egg timer, egg dipper, putting it in there. So now I'm going to use my toaster oven. I've got my toaster oven here, and I've got it at 450, and I'm going to place this inside for 10 minutes. Now our 10 minutes are up, and it's time to remove our project. Be very careful, make sure you use your oven mitt, and you're going to remove it and let it cool for another good 10 minutes. Now we're cool. I can touch this and I'm not going to get burned. And here's the amazing thing. They just pop right on out. Isn't that cool? Now here's what I wanted to show you the difference of. This is the one that we put very carefully all of the little circles around and around and around and around. And as you can see, it is nice and smooth, kind of a little pebbly. This one is the one that we just kind of dumped all of them in. And as you can see, there's a little bit of roughness here, and it's like there's some little spots where it didn't quite fill as well, but it does get the same basic effect. And there you go. Your sun catchers. And there you have it, a translucent pony bead sun catcher. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't know if you can see how it sparkles, but it's just absolutely beautiful in the light. For more fun ideas that have been inspired by people I find on the web, check us out at sophie-world.com.